Hey, it's Harry here. Today we're going to look at the Smartgain feature on the EVO 4 audio interface and how it's a real game changer when it comes to recording. So essentially, the Smartgain feature is a way of automatically setting your microphone or instrument inputs. This can be on one channel or both channels at the same time. This is really useful for beginners who maybe need a helping hand getting their levels set properly and gets them making music or creating whatever they're doing faster. But for those who do already know how to set their gain correctly, it offers a streamlined workflow for your recordings. Whether it be you just want to dial it in automatically so you can focus on the music, or if you're working on your own and you have your recording area away from wherever your computer and audio interface is. So Smartgain is really quick and easy to set up. I have an SM7B here plugged into input 1 on EVO 4. And so if I grab the microphone, all I need to do is press the Smartgain button, followed by the channel that I want to set the gain for. And this could be just channel 1 or channel 2, or both of them at the same time, which is really great for stereo material. So I press channel 1, and then I press the Smartgain button again, and it starts flashing, and now it's analyzing whatever I'm saying. Usually it's a good idea to talk the loudest that you're going to be talking. I could be playing an instrument, so I would just play as loud as I'm going to be playing for the recording. So the Smartgain button has just flashed green, which means it's just set the appropriate level, and we're ready to record. So when it sets the level, it leaves you plenty of headroom, which basically means if you were to play or perform louder than you did when you were setting the Smartgain, it's not going to clip, it's not going to distort, and it's not going to overload your converters. So you'll still get the best sounding audio, even if you are a little bit louder than you were. So that's it for Smartgain. As you can see, it's really quick to get the perfect level dialed in and get recording straight away. If you found this video useful, then please give it a like. If you have any questions about Smartgain or EVO 4 in general, then please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with EVO 4 and audio videos.